Now, what did we see about Maini that made them our most recent investment in India, and also the only Indian investment that we have in the auto components and precision engineering space? It's three things. These are what we consider to be the three critical ingredients for success for any business. It's people, it's strategy, and it's execution. These three ingredients are of the highest quality within Maini, and that is why we are proud to be affiliated with it, and we are proud to sponsor and invest in Maini.
We do that because we are a global company with operations all over the world, and it's important for us to understand the suppliers who can add value to Eaton, both in lowering our costs and also improving our quality and delivery. That's quality, productivity or cost effectiveness, innovation, alignment and support of our manufacturing philosophy, and being entrepreneurial. And some specifics relative to Maini's performance is that we have received, when I last generated the query, we received about 9.7 million parts from Maini over the last couple of years where we've been doing business. And to date, they've only had 6 defective parts. So that is terrific. It's a defective part per million, clearly that's below 1. It really is world-class type performance. When we did have these issues, they were just really on top of it and really was very responsive to these issues. From a cost effectiveness standpoint, we did really benefit terrifically, or have a terrific benefit, and from a cost perspective. And Maini has a very active program to bring additional cost-saving ideas to Eaton, and we very much appreciate that. So they got very high marks from a productivity and a cost-effectiveness standpoint. From an innovation standpoint, Maini is held in very high regard by our engineering group, and again, they do appreciate the support that we get from our engineering team from the Maini group. And Maini does support our manufacturing philosophy. They also support Lean, and they also manage are working within our vendor managed inventory system. So they're in a perfect alignment from a manufacturing standpoint. And finally, from an entrepreneurial standpoint, excellent communication, very willing to support us, and very collaborative and fully cooperative. As a result, Maini was awarded from our powertrain group their supplier award last year. It's a very important award. We only give out one. It's not that we give out a handful of awards. It's not a beauty contest. It's something that we take very seriously. We have a lot of importance tied to this award, and I wanted to take the opportunity now to present this award to Mr. Maini. I have such high regard for this company. I asked Gautam Maini to be a member of my supplier advisory board, so I thank him for doing that.
I actually personally had an opportunity to visit Maini, I think three years ago, when I was in a different role, and I'm absolutely amazed and impressed by what I see today. It's a very robust, growing, exciting company to be associated with. And so as we look to suppliers of the future, suppliers that can compete in a global supply chain, a supply chain that is becoming increasingly tough to compete in, we're looking for suppliers like Maini who can continue to move forward with us and be part of our ongoing future.
First give you a little introduction about what the hydraulics project between Eaton and Maini is. It's 600 part numbers, transitioning from North America to India. 600 part numbers that will equal about 30 million parts in annualized volume. It's a huge project, and it's one that's taken on, and it's taken on by a lot of relationship building. But I think the elements that build the strategic partnership are, first of all, friendship, second is trust, the third is commitment, and the fourth is flexibility. Now, friendships are not made, they're built. We feel the relationship with Maini is at the highest level of our company. So it was a very, very trusting relationship that was built on this. Neither Eaton nor Maini would ever have conceived that some of these problems would arise, but they did. And so rather than fighting about them, we really worked together to solve these issues. And I think that for both Maini and Eaton, we've held this flexible relationship like this, and we've responded to the needs of each other. So I can tell you from experience that the relationship between Eaton and Maini will be a benchmark for doing business in India because of how it was established and the struggles, but the strength of the relationship. So with the foundation of friendship, trust, commitment, flexibility, we at Eaton are convinced that the strategic relationship will only flourish for years to come.
We became friends. Both of them shared their philosophy, both of them shared their vision with me, and now I'm here in this facility, and I believe you realized your vision, and that's really nice to see. And I'm really, really proud of you, Gautam, and you never let us down as Deutz, and we will have a great future as well.